I'm Sherwin Damdar, Director of Product, Innovation, and Operations at Garlock.
And I'm Derek Hicks, Applications and Project Lead for the Expansion Joint Department.
And we're here to talk about troubleshooting expansion joints in mining applications. So Derek, we've seen quite a number of inquiries and questions about expansion joints in mining applications, for example, the lithium industry or fertilizer industry. What kinds of questions do we typically get?
Yeah, typically the questions that we get involve abrasion resistance. As you can imagine in the mining industry, abrasive slurries are passing through the piping system over and over, and in turn pass through the tube of the expansion joint, which could cause a premature failure by wearing down that tube material. Next, we field a lot of questions on chemical attack. The mining industry does use harsh chemicals, again, that are going to pass through the expansion joint tube, and it's critical that that tube's compatible with the chemicals that are passing through the line. And then last, as you can envision with any mining application, you're going to encounter shock and vibration. So it's really important that you have a performance expansion joint that can handle those harsh conditions.
And what are some of the ways that we at Garlock can help with these set of conditions?
At Garlock, we have a wide variety of ways to help with these conditions. In particular, for tube materials, we offer our Abraline and AbraShield, which we believe are the most abrasion-resistant tube material in the expansion joint industry. For chemical, we offer our Guardian FEP and SureLink expansion joints, again, designed to handle those harsh chemicals that are processed in mining application. And last, we just recently developed our P2000 expansion joint, which offers the lowest spring rates, the highest pressure, vacuum, and movement ratings in the expansion joint industry.
Thanks for sharing those insights.